Hebei Guangtuo FRP Co., Ltd. Customized FRP profiles for both domestic and international markets. Professional pultrusion, extensive experience, container shipping, multiple automated pultrusion production lines, self-developed equipment and molds, ISO 9001 certified, and 12 patents. Our products sell well throughout China and are exported to overseas markets such as Europe, America, and Southeast Asia. We support global order customization and full container shipping. Polyurethane pultruded profiles, high strength, corrosion resistance, insulation, and weather resistance. Suitable for power, chemical, and marine engineering. Epoxy resin pultruded profiles, lightweight, high strength, and dimensionally stable, used in building structures and transportation facilities. Unsaturated polyester pultruded profiles, high cost-performance ratio, widely used in municipal, environmental protection, and aquaculture equipment. Hebei Guangtuo, your trusted expert in custom FRP profiles.